Hello student, let us continue exercise 3.6. This exercise based on estimation. We already discussed question number 1 and part of A of question second. Now we discuss part B. 898 plus 785. Now to find the nearest tens of 898, can we write in left hand side 890 and right side 900. This is your tens place. So we make circle on ones place. In the circle, ones place is 8. So it's nearest to 900 in right hand side. Right hand side. So 898 rounded to the nearest tens equal to 900, and next number is 785. Now we find nearest tens place, so we write in left. This is your ones, tens, 100, so we make circle on ones digit, and 780 in left side, can we write 780, and next tens is 90, so we write 790. Ones digit is 5 in circle, ones digit is 5, so we go to right side. Therefore 785 rounded to the nearest tens equal to 790. Now 898 rounded to the nearest tens is equal to 900, and 785 rounded to the nearest tens is equal to 790. Hence estimated sum is equal to 0 plus 0, 0 plus 9, 9, 9 plus 7, 16. And your estimated sum is 1690. Now we discuss last part of this question, 81 plus 479. Question number second, part D, 81 plus 479. This is your 81. Find to nearest tens. Here ones digit is 1. Now we find nearest tens, and in left side 80, and next tens is 90. 80, 90. Here in the circle, ones digit nearest to left side, this is 80, so we write 81 rounded to nearest to the tens equal to 80, and the next number is 479. Here ones digit is 9. Now we find nearest tens digit, so we write ones tens 100, 770, and next tens is 780. In the circle contains 9's digit, So we move right to the 779, that is 780. Therefore 779 is rounded to nearest tens equal to 780. 780. Now 81 is rounded to nearest tens is 80. 80 plus, and 779 is rounded to nearest tens, that is 780, and their estimated sum is 0. 8 plus is 16, carry 1 plus 7 8, 860. This is your estimated sum. Now we discuss question number 3. Give a rough estimated by rounding off to nearest hundreds and a closure estimated by rounding off to nearest tens. First part, 59 plus 342. 59 plus 342. Now first we find actual sum. Actual sum is 401. Now first case, by rounding off to nearest hundred. 59 rounded to the nearest hundred is 100. Let's see rough diagram. 59 rounded to nearest hundred, so we make circle tens digit, and in left side this is your 0, and in your right side this is your 100. In the circle 5 go to right side. So 59 is rounded to nearest 100 is 100. (59) rounded to the nearest 100 equal to 100, and next number is 342. So we can find 342 nearest to 100. So we make circle in tens digit. Once tens 100, this is 300. So we will take and left hand side 300 and right hand side 400. In the circle contains 4. So we move left hand side. 342 is rounded to nearest nearest 100. This is 300. So we write 342 is rounded to the nearest 100 equal to 300, and their estimated sum 400. 300 plus 400, 300 plus 100, 400. Now we find this question nearest to tens. 59, again draw a diagram. 59 we find nearest tens, so we make circle ones place. Ones tens, this is 50. 50 in left side and 60 in right side, and circle digit is 9, so we move right hand side. 59 is rounded to the nearest tens, that is 60. 59 is rounded. 59 is rounded to the nearest equal to 60. And 342 also we find 342 nearest tens. Ones tens 100. This is 340 and this is 350. 342 in the circle contain 2, so we move left hand side. 342 is rounded to the tens. This is 340. So we write 342 is rounded to the nearest tens equal to 340, and estimated sum is 60 plus 340, that is 400. Now do question number 1 to 3 in your fair notebook. Thank you.